One morning, you wake up and everything feels different. It's not because life suddenly got easier, but because you decided, quietly and firmly, that you matter. This is the first day of a conscious choice, a promise you make to yourself before your feet even touch the floor. You stop rushing to give all your energy away first thing. Instead, you pour that warmth and attention back into yourself. You savor the small, quiet moments that belong only to you, reclaiming the morning as your own sacred space. You stop saying yes to things that drain you before the day has even begun. You take a breath, a deliberate pause, and choose to protect your peace. You stop chasing approval from people who don't understand your heart. You realize your worth isn't up for debate, and you no longer need to perform for a seat at tables where you don't feel seen. Because true self-love isn't always soft and easy. It's a quiet discipline. It's the daily practice of showing up for yourself, especially when it's hard. It's choosing routines that nourish your body and calm your mind. These small, intentional acts become the foundation of your inner peace, building a life that feels good from the inside out. It's setting boundaries, even when your voice shakes. It's learning to say no with grace so you can say yes to what truly matters. It's choosing your own peace over the exhausting work of pleasing everyone else. Choosing yourself is the first step toward becoming who you were meant to be. It's a quiet decision, made in the small moments, to honor your own voice above the noise of the world. It's about releasing the weight of expectations and the roles you were never meant to carry. When you listen to that quiet whisper within, you begin to align with your truest path. Life doesn't just change, it blossoms the moment you stop abandoning yourself and decide to come home. Finally, place your hand on your heart. Feel its steady rhythm, and whisper this truth to yourself.
I choose me today.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.